Hi and welcome to Rogan and Rose. I'm Sam and I wanted to do a video today about the beauty boxes that I receive. I'm going to go through the February boxes. I know it's way overdue, it's like the 24th of February now, but these are the ones that I have a complete set of that I can go through for you. I received 3 beauty boxes at the moment. I only started this one, the Lookfantastic box, in January of this year. I've been getting the Glossybox and the Birchbox, I think, for over a year now, and I've been really happy with them, but I wanted to try a different brand and see what they had to offer, so that's why I opted for the Lookfantastic box. Now the January one, as expected, had lots of skincare products in there, new year, new regime. So I was really looking forward to the February one because they have so many cool makeup brands available that I thought for sure that there would be some really exciting Valentine's-y makeup inside. So this is what I got. I received a copy of Elle magazine, which I believe you get in every box. Yeah, I'm not interested. It's basically, for me, it's very few bits of information that I am interested in and too many adverts to work for me. You may find it different. This video is about my opinion, so I'm giving you my opinion. Okay. So you get a Lookfantastic beauty box information leaflet. And also you get 6 products in this box. Let's have a look. The first one, Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. So it's an anti-aging day cream, basically. But unfortunately, along with many other people, I did start my new year with a new regime for my face, and I bought that full regime and I'm using it. For those of you who maybe want to shop around, see what brands you like, then yeah, great. That's all you need. Let's have a look. Next product, Dr. Pawpaw. I love this product. I did get a full-size one, I think, in my glossy box. I keep it in my bedroom and my daughter loves it, I love it. I used it when I had an allergic reaction to a piece of jewellery that I wore, and it brought the swelling down and the pain and discomfort down really quickly, and I think it even healed it better as well. So yes, that is a bonus. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Trifle Cosmetics Sugar Pear Sublime Lip Scrub. Lip scrubs, awesome. Absolutely need them. I'm constantly getting all sorts all over my lips and I need to scrub it off. I've got an e.l.f. one at the moment. I think I gave the other ones to my daughter. Everything I don't like in my boxes I give my daughter first choice on, or if I see that there's something that she's been looking for and it's in the box, I'll give it to her. And I'll just take what I need, generally, which I've already got a few versions of. I'll maybe try it and then give it to her. So I'm not going to give this one to Willow. I'm going to keep this one for myself. I like that one. Let's have a look. SOS Thirst Quenching Serum. Again, this would be really good if I hadn't already picked a face care brand and a regime that I'm sticking to. Let's have a look. Filorga Meso Mask. It's a soothing radiance mask. Doesn't have any instructions on the back, so I expect you use it as a normal face mask where you leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. And then the one piece of makeup in the entire box. I was really looking forward to lots of makeup in this box, and this is it. Face, body and eyes. Bella Pierre Shimmer Roll. I will definitely be using this. It's gold shimmer roll. Who's not gonna want to play with that? So yeah, that is great. That is great. That is great. And if you're the kind of person who wants to try samples of new things, then yeah, they would be great. But I was a bit disappointed because I did expect more. I really wanted more on the makeup side for this month and less perhaps on the face care, hand creams, whatever. So not my favourite by any means. Okay, the next one to arrive at my home was Birchbox. They always come with this little drawer, which I think is really cute. I keep all the boxes. And in this one you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. You get a little leaflet that tells you about everything you get in your box, and you get a hint of what's to come in the next box. If you are a VIP member, you're allowed to, they send you an email and you can decide which one of these you want. So I chose the hydrogel eye mask because my lips, I wish my lips were getting puffy. My eyes are getting a bit puffy recently. I think tinting them myself at home was probably not the best idea, but hey, there you go. So first of all, I received a triple eyeshadow called Love You So Latte from the Beauty Crop. It looks like they are, I think there are 2 shimmer shades and 1 matte shade in there. So that's a pretty neutral palette to go with. Model Company Conceal and Correct. Little green Conceal and Correct pencil there. I may use that. I've steered away from using these because we used so many crap products for this kind of in college. We were just provided with crap to learn from. Yeah, we were provided with really crap products to learn from, and I have nightmares about lavender areas and orange areas and green areas on the face where we weren't shown how to apply them properly, we weren't shown how to blend them properly, and basically you looked like you'd been under the mortician's brushes rather than a beauty therapist's brushes. So yeah, not overly, but again, my daughter uses them, so it will find a home. Coconut milk hair mask. You're supposed to use the coconut milk shampoo, obviously, before. This is a Lucetta, brain drain, Lucetta product, and it's a nourishing mask treatment for intensive repair and nourish infusion. It's perfect for over-processed, dry, coloured hair, which is me, so I will definitely be giving that a go. Definitely. There we go. Percy and Reed hair product. I've received a couple of these before and I really liked them, but this is a finishing polish that you apply after you've already styled your hair. So it says directions: use a pea-sized amount on a hair to smooth, control or groom unruly hair, and you can use a little more to add definition and hold. I did try this a couple of days ago and I think maybe I needed to I blow dried my hair and then I used this just to take a little bit of the frizziness off the ends. I didn't want to use straighteners, but I did, I think, need to use straighteners and then use this. I would have got a much better result. And then I have a Marcel gentle makeup remover for sensitive eyes, which is perfect for me because I do have some sensitive eyes right now. So you can see it separates into 2 different layers, and then when it's shook, I don't know if you can see, I'm just stood shaking a box package here, that it mixes together. So yeah, that definitely will be using. And then also a little advertising leaflet. Bring your favourite memories to life with 10 free Polaroid style prints for Birchbox customers. I might let my daughter have that. She's obsessed with Polaroid at the moment. She wants, but they're so expensive now. I don't remember them being that expensive even when they were like newly out. But in the film, don't get me started. I'm doing the mum thing, aren't I? Okay, finally I received my Glossybox. I love this box. It has just so much colour and excitement on the front, and it just screams Valentine's Day to me. And the almost neon pink underneath is awesome. I'm easily excited. So, okay, so I will undo my little ribbon that you get every time, peel back my paper, and again you get just a simple card that tells you what is in the box and what you do with it, which is great. So in this box I have 5 products again. I will go from this end. I have a little bottle, mini bottle of, sorry, I haven't got my glasses with me. And yeah, it's a little bottle of nail polish. How cute is that? It's really, really cute, and I like the colour. It's going to be really good for my upcoming look that I have planned as part of my 7 Deadly Sins, which is awesome. You then get a sleek Makeup I Divine mineral based eyeshadow palette, Vintage Romance. You see that? Look fantastic. Vintage Romance. It's Valentine's. But yeah, they are, it looks like, I've not took them out the pack actually. Oh, it comes and it tells you actually what are the colours, which is nice. So Vintage Romance includes shimmering purples, intense ultraviolet and smouldering gold shades. Includes a matte dark colour, ideal for definition or perfecting a classy smoky effect, and suitable for all skin tones. And it's got 12 shades in there, and they all look like shades that I would use. So yeah, that's a definite goer for me. Let's have a look. What's this? Studio 10 Makeup Mist Glow Plexion primer. You can use it as, and I assume setter. And if you're feeling like you need a bit of freshness later on in the day, mist and setting spray in one. Like I say, I haven't got my glasses, so I'm really struggling with this. A super fine, lightweight mist that forms an undetectable veil over makeup for ultra long last wear. It smooths and illuminates, instantly refreshes and brightens dull and lackluster skin, helping refine skin texture and reduce the appearance of open pores. Cool. So yeah, another one I will use definitely. Let's have a look. Skin Chemist London Aqua Repair Facial Serum. So again, that's probably not what I'm going to use. It'll go in my little, I have a drawer full of like mini products. Maybe I should do like a giveaway, just like make up a few boxes full of these kind of things. And then Steve Laurent. Now I've received a couple of products from this particular brand before. I have an eyeliner pen, and I also have a lipstick, and this is a lip gloss. I'm going to open it because I really like the rose gold packaging. I think that's super nice. Ooh, it's got, I like that. And let's have a look. Oh, I like that. It's a very natural shade. Nude Pop lip gloss. I like that. So basically there was only one product in there that I'm not going to use. So for me, for February, Glossybox was the clear winner. I know Sleek isn't like a major name, a high brand name or anything, but I use a lot of their products. I've got a lot of their highlighter palettes. I use their eyeshadow palettes, and they're a good quality. They're a good quality high street brand, so I'm really happy with that. It does show you every product that you could have got, so you get a selection of 5 from these products, which I think is really cool, that you get something different every time. Although I do have an awful lot of mascaras, I have an awful lot of skincare products. When I get something that I really wanted to try and I've just not gotten around to shopping for it yet, I'm really happy, and I'll use it to death. But all in all, the prices range from I think 17 down to 15 including postage. I think I'm going to cancel the Lookfantastic box because the theme does seem to be more on the skincare side, and I've already invested in that, and I'm not looking to try new products for skincare. I want new products for makeup. I want to try different brands of makeup and beauty products. I'm happy with hair products. So I would say my favourite this month has probably been the Glossybox, and I would say that's probably true most months. I'm happy to keep on with both the Birchbox and the Glossybox because I think between the two they give me a good balance of products that I'm interested in or members of my family would like. So yeah, I think Lookfantastic's gonna go. But do you know what? If you disagree, if you've been receiving Lookfantastic boxes for longer, let me know before I cancel. Comment down below, give me a wink and let me know which box you prefer, or if there's a box that I'm not receiving that you think would really suit me, let me know, because I love getting these boxes. I know there's ones you can get for like when you're on your period, and they come with tampons and things and chocolate and stuff like that. Every month it comes, and they time it to your cycle, which I thought was awesome. I know you can get jewelry boxes, but which ones are the best? Please tell me which are the best and why you like them, and I will check out every single one of them online and maybe do a review of a couple of those that I find, and maybe subscribe to, so that I can show you what comes in the new boxes. I love buying makeup, and when these boxes arrive, it's like you're getting a gift. It's like you've sent yourself a gift, but you don't know when it's going to turn up. And because it happens every month, sometimes you forget about it completely, and then the delivery driver will knock on your door and you're like, oh, it's my box! Oh! So when I try some of these products, I will let you know if they've come from one of these boxes if I use it in a tutorial. I think that probably would be something that I should add in, which box I got it from and which month it was for, because I do believe a lot of them you can order previous boxes. So that should be good. So thank you so much for watching me waffle and not be able to read the packaging. I will remember my glasses for next time. You know I'm gonna forget again. And I have like 3 pairs, so I could leave a pair down here quite easily, but it doesn't seem to happen. Okay, so thank you again for spending some time with me. I really do appreciate you watching my video, and if you could take the time to just press that red button below and subscribe, and maybe the little alarm bell next to it so that you can be alerted when I do upload a new video, I would be super grateful. And those thumb up and thumb downs are there for a reason. I don't like this one, but this one I really like. Mwah! I like you so much. So if you could see your way to ignoring this one but yaying this one, that would be super appreciated. Thank you. So you take care, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.